to put together the flip book, the first thing is the students are going to fill out the page, and then when they're ready to assemble it, this is how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is fold the flip book from top to bottom. Just take any of the pages first and fold it from top to bottom. And then you're going to take your scissors and looking through the paper, you're going to look for the dotted lines and then just make little snips along the dotted lines. So I can see them through the paper. Okay, so I have just the little snips, and now I'm going to fold it forward just so I can get a good crease there. That'll make it stand up better when you go to pop it out. So I'm folding it there, okay? And then I can open it back up, and you can see now that it does have the pop-ups. So you can fold the crease again, fold the crease again, and there's the pop-ups. Now you need to glue a blank piece of paper to the back. So I'm just going to apply glue to everywhere except the pop-up. So putting glue all over it. And then I'm going to line up a blank piece of paper as best as I can. And then just fold it down. Okay, so now I'm going to fold both sheets together just to get a good crisp turn. Okay, so now it is finished, and you can pop out your pop-ups. Okay, so I'm popping out the pop-ups like that. So now when I fold it down, I'm going to kind of reinforce those pop-ups so that when it's opened, they automatically pop up like that. So you're going to repeat that for each one of the pages. So once you have all of your individual pages done, all you have to do is assemble them. And so they are just stacked in a stack. So they're still folded in half. If you open it up, you could see the pop-ups, and then I'm just laying another one on top. But first I'm going to add some glue so that I glue them together. So I'm just gonna glue right here and then stack it right on top. Okay, and I'm gonna repeat that again. Just glue right on top of the stack and then add the next page to the stack. Trying to get it lined up as best as I can. Okay, so one more. Just add to the stack. Okay, so it is almost done. The pages you can see are attached, but I am going to add the cover. So here's the cover. So I'm just going to fold it in half, and then making sure that the cover is opening the right way. Just going to slide it in there so that it looks like that, and open it. Okay, so I'm going to glue the cover page down too. The back of the cover though is in the back of the stack. Okay, so now when I lift the cover, it goes straight to the first page and so forth. And the last thing I'm going to do just to reinforce it is to staple along the top. And there you have it, your flip book that has cool little pop-ups that teach about all of the different early Texas explorers. Hope this helped.